A well-organized forum is a basic requirement for the development of any sports activity. Whenever such a facility is available, good sportsmen are easily developed there. Along with its community development activities, Tata Steel has always laid importance on the promotion of sports in Odisha. As an endeavor in that direction, Tata Steel has accorded priority to the promotion of football. The company has been identifying the budding football talents from the grassroots level through its talent hunt program spread over the state. Further, the selected ones are trained at Tata Football Academy, Jamshedpur. Aimed at promoting football, Tata Steel is sponsoring a number of tournaments. Tata Utkalika Football Cup, organized by Unit 6 Athletic Association in Bhubaneswar, is one such example. Proper training and chance to participate in good competitions at regular intervals help the players develop their profession skills. Tata Utkalika Cup football competition, sponsored by Tata Steel, is fulfilling that need. On the occasion of its Silver Jubilee celebrations, the Unit 6 Athletic Association had organized this championship with much fanfare. The football tournament was held from 4th December to 8th December. In this 5-day long football match, 8 teams took part, including TFA and BNA of Kolkata. In the first semi-final, held on 7th December, Samleswari team defeated Yazdani Club 73, while Bilaspur Railway team was vanquished by Cuttack Sports Hostel in the second semi-final. On the occasion, some former national junior footballers like Sheikh Yunis, Prasanna Das, Akshay Das, Gyanaranjan Behra, Sarojkant Patnaik were felicitated. The concluding function of the tournament was held on 8th December, with various programs being organized throughout the day. In the forenoon, a workshop was organized on Indian football, past, present and future. The center of attraction of this workshop was Padma Shri Chunni Goswami. Along with Mr. Goswami, several other famous footballers and organizers took part in the workshop. Coordinated by Sports Administrator Mr. Ashok Mahanti, Sports Journalist Mr. Sambit Mahapatra, the participants of the workshop discussed at length and contribution of Tata Steel and TFA for the development of football in India. They all acknowledged the contribution of Mr. Chunni Goswami and others in the setting up of Tata Football Academy. On the final day of Tata Utkalika Cup Tournament 2012, an exhibition match was played between Unit 6 Athletic Association and Rourkela veteran team. Spectators were along to see these veterans in action on the field once again. Organizations, sports administrators and veterans who have brought glory to the state by their sportsmanship were felicitated on the occasion. Mr. Tapan Mahanti, President of Unit 6 Athletic Association, State Energy Information and Public Relations Minister Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu, Padma Shri Chunni Goswami and Mr. Sushant Mishra, Chief Resident Executive, Tata Steel were present. On the occasion, Sports Administrator Ashirwad Behra, Dilip Samantrai, Bhaktavallabh Das, Mohammad Jabar, Bhavani Mahanti, Shraddhanjali Samantrai, Anuradha Vishwal, K. Ravi Kumar, Padma Shri Dilip Tirki, Chandan Rai were honoured with plaques, certificates and shawls. TFA was also honoured for its contribution to the promotion of football in the country. The final match was played between Football Academy, Sambalpur and Sports Hostel, Cuttack. The young footballers from both the teams displayed good name, while Prafulla Men scored their first goal in the first half for the Football Academy to give his team a lead. Bhavagrahi Padhiyari of Sports Hostel levelled in the second half to bring the match to a draw. Thus the match was decided by a tiebreaker sudden death formula. Sports Hostel Cuttack clinched the trophy by winning this match by 6-5 goal margin.
बाहरु बिलासपुर रेलवे बीएनआर कोलकाता एवं टाटा फुटबॉल एकेडमी भी ये आसते यही प्रकार कार्यक्रम टाटा स्टील आमको साहाय्य करे मु भावुची ओडिशार फुटबॉल मान सहित भारतर फुटबॉल मान उन्नति करियो बोली मो आशा और विश्वास
एथरे जो चुन्नी गोस्वामी पद्मश्री चुन्नी गोस्वामी जे कि जने सर्वश्रेष्ठ खेलाड़ी थिले एशिया स्तर रे सी आसी तांकर जा मतामत देले वर्तमान सुधा प्राय 200 रु अधिक जातीय स्तर खेलाड़ी से प्रोड्यूस करिसेंती एवं टाटा फुटबॉल एकेडमी हूँ एकमात्र एकेडमी भारत वर्ष रे जे कि फुटबॉल को फोकस करी एवं फुटबॉल पिला को प्रशिक्षण करी जातीय एवं अंतर्जातीय स्तर खिलाड़ी बाहर करिबारे सक्रिय भूमिका ग्रहण करिछि।
Being a footballer myself, I am very happy that Odisha has taken up football very seriously. They are thinking of academies, they are having a sports hostel, they are having all kind of activities for the development of football. It's a wonderful knowledge for me that Odisha people have taken it very, very seriously.
ओडिशा रा जो फुटबॉल प्रति जो गोटे एसोसिएशन अच्छी ताको जेमती प्रतिभा माने बाहर सेटा गोटे मेन एम आशा करूँ दिन ना दिन यू नेशनल प्लेयर्स माने बाहर की जी आम इंडिया टीम पे खेलिए से गोटे अपॉर्चुनिटी आम चेष्टा करूँ जो टाटा फुटबॉल एकेडमी अच्छी जमशेदपुर रे ताको थ्रू रे आम ये गोटे भुवनेश्वर भी सेमती गोटे सेम लेवल ऑफ प्लेयर्स को केमती क्रिएट करें से इंटेंशन नहीं कि यूनिट 6 फील्ड रे करूँ।